like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
Yo, what's up my dear crypto people, welcome to another video. In this one I will show you another free USDT crypto faucet. As always, you will need to have a FaucetPay account to be able to claim on this site, so check out the description below where I will be leaving a link for all of these sites. Okay guys, so once you make a FaucetPay account, you just need to copy your USDT address. So we do that and we go to the site. So this is how the site looks like. Really simple, classic OG crypto faucet, and the great thing is that you can claim without doing the short link. But for this video I will actually do the short link, okay guys? So let's claim a little bit more. I will show you how to do the short link. So we got the 𝐂𝐫𝐲𝐩. Okay, my ad block is disabled, so we click continue, we close the pop-up ads, click continue, close the ads. I'm not a robot. These guys don't believe me that I'm a normal human being. Okay guys, we close the pop-up ad and we click get link. Okay, so as you can see we will get 900% extra USDT Satoshis when we claim. So guys, this is the place where we paste our FaucetPay Tether address. So before I claim, you can take a look, so you can see their total balance here. You can claim like 3 different amounts. There's a 50% chance. Okay, I don't understand, what the hell is this? So you have like a 0.03% chance to win a little bit more Satoshis, and these two are basically the same. Okay, this one has 1000 more. But anyways guys, you can see that you can claim up to 100 times per day, so amazing crypto faucet. Okay guys, make sure to join through the link in the description below. So we just need to do this simple captcha. And that's it. We click get reward. The crypto gets sent instantly to our FaucetPay account. There's no minimum withdrawals, so really nice guys, amazing crypto faucet. Okay my dear legends, here's the payment proof. Faucet Dinero Center, that's the name of the site. As you can see, everything's legit. I got 100k USDT Satoshis in probably less than a minute or two. So really nice guys, I hope that you will like this faucet. Thanks a lot for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, check out my other videos. I will make another giveaway soon for you guys, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment, and that's it. Thanks a lot guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.